nakapila kami, yun na lang. Nakapila kami. Gusto ko mag-retouch. Finally, after 2 years? Yes! Outfit check. We're on our way to our departures. Charot, mamaya pa. Mamaya pa talagang 6. Look at that person, oh. So super independent. Tapos yung buhok niya sa likod nalalaglag na. We're on our way to our boarding gate. Yay! Super lapit na. We're gonna fly. Mamaya. Gore. Susu! Hindi nyo na kami makikita, guys. Gate 133, tayo? Yes. Wait lang daw. Kunti na lang yung mga person, guys. Ang dami natin. Dapat talaga nandito ako sa kabila para nakikita. Okay. Ayun na ata yung ano natin, guys. Yung bus namin. Bus. Ayun pala. We're gonna make... Guys, boarding na kami, guys. Ay, sobrang lalaki na naman yung mga yun. We are boarding. Dito yung boarding pass namin. Charot! Susu. I think. Nahihilo na ako, guys. Kanina pa ako nasusuka. Wala pa ako sa tulog. Oh my God, I'm so excited! Di lang 2 hours, 1 hour na lang. Actually, that's 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah. Sasakay na kami. No, ganyan na. Thank you. Ang ingay! Yan na nga. Happy. Yeah! Grabe buhok yan, sis, ah.
But I guess that's just a life. I don't need not a bit of pity. These highs and lows are just a part of living. Is that just how life is? Without you I'm feeling so lifeless. So strawberry champagne, last life the taste of life. Bittersweet babies, these days taste like red wine. You are the sweetness I crave, but you melt just like sugar and rain. Just a teaspoon, I'm begging to sweeten this life that I'm living on. Strawberry champagne, last life the taste of life. Bittersweet babies, these days taste like red wine. Life just as sweet as sailing. I guess that's just how it is. I wait for life like honey to reach my lips. Strawberry champagne, last life the taste of life. Bittersweet babies, these days taste like red wine. Life's bittersweet. I've been waiting for life to get sweet again. I'm wondering how I live.
We made it! We've landed! We're now in Tacloban. Oh my gosh! Nakaland na kami! At we have landed! Gabi na ba yung maataka na yung tubo ko? We landed! Now we're gonna wait. Kasi sa dulo pa kami. And ang lamig-lamig. Bye guys! See you guys later! Oh my gosh! Wala akong makita yung salamin ko! Ang foggy! We did it! We did it! Thank you, Cebu Pacific! Hala, okay lang shoutout! Ang tanong, may susundo kaya sa amin? Ang susundo? Wala! Wala! Ay, gilid daw tayo. Hi sa Daniel Romualdez Airport. We're here at Tacloban. Arrival. Hindi na nagsalita. Hi guys! We arrive at our Lola's home. We're going to we're gonna visit my other tita.
Hindi nala kaluyo.
We're going to Haro.
Hello guys. You handsome guy.
Handsome guy ko, no? Mag-aano bang kita nga to? We're gonna make noise. Yan.
Dadan. Ayan.
Dahil mga pinimple kasi hindi
Pinimple star.
Pinimple star.
Pepper sira.
Pamples.
Pamples.
They grow up.
Kalong na bata.
Anyway. Ang ingay nila. Grabe, sister. Yung ilaw dun sa likod ng pintuan. Ito yung vacation namin, eh. Ganito lang siya. Vacation na to. Ito na bukas. Bukas. May customer. Hindi na matulog tayo. Good morning. Good morning. We're in the middle of the night. It's 3:46 and we're going somewhere. Going to Canigao.
Yeah. And ang daming nangyari before to.
Mission failed.
Mission failed. But it was fun.
That
Okay.
was about her.
Excuse me. Dada, butang hindi dada. Okay, takon ko.
So this is our situation. Nga di ka hagbot na nga yun.
Tubangan yung patubangan sa pitni.
Okay.
Apply. Ay na lang chinilas.
Ikaw is kuan, Google.
Ang imo stock knowledge ha igkuan nga.
Oh, ganyan flashlight, be!
Ay, hindi nakakita.
Lord.
Anong butak ka?
Hi guys.
Hindi ka nakikitan ba talaga?
I was taken by the light. Sorry guys.
Mabalik na dito kay mabugat ito pag pinarpasan.
Hi guys. As you can see, this is
Para
our situation.
Pag pinarpasan dito makuan bugat gamit man nay an hindi. Lagi di
Ang galing. Oh, yay!
para tayo sardinas dito.
We like it here.
Adi man na bag. Ang nasada. Eh waray man ito mga. Ayan.
Yan. Okay, kapag
Uy, ayaw di na paglingkod.
Delikado. Di, nagkaliman.
biyok.
Biyok lusad na biyok.
Oy, kini di daw habok na kuan.
Para tayo sardinas.
This is what you call road trip. Hello. With our crispy ass hair. We got this depressed girl. Look at that hair! Oh my gosh! Ito na yan guys. Nandito na kami sa Canigao guys. Rininin ka, asya. Ina, kalahati pa lang natatapos ko. Sakit na ng ulo ko. So, we rode here using the Strada. And nandun kami sa likod. Of course, the air is like airing in our face. Tapos sobrang lamig. Tapos sobrang air. Tumigas na yung buhok ko. Tinali ko yung hair ko kasi I know that's gonna happen. So, I don't have a problem. Andito na kami guys. Charot, diri pa siya daw. Hindi pa kami nakakatawid. Kasi we're still waiting for some people pa daw sa bote. Hindi ko alam kung may dadating. Paano pag walang dumating? Dito na lang kami forever. The cousins are cousining. What the heck? The kids are kididing. Andun sila sa dyan. Tapos kami nandito kami. Ay, ayan, ito yung car namin. Nandito sila, nandito kami sa likod. Dapat kasi dalawa yung car. Sa gulat kami, hindi pala gagamitin yung isa. O di nagsiksikan kami dun sa likod. Bye. We're now gonna board sa boat. I think we're gonna go to that island.
Ay, nakabitbit akong kardero. Ayaw ito. Kabaran, nag-uuri nga ang imbag. Ang imbag nag-uuri.
Say hi! Say hi!
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 Ayoko pag-updaday. Hi guys, muna ako ang kita guys. Kapag nagtinda ka sila
And I'm not supposed to be holding this. Ay, ang galing. Parang shades na yung salamin ko. Photochromic. Hello!
Umayos ka, Nika. Ano ba yan? Ayaw ako eh. Oo, lumakad na. Ay, ayun na pala sila.
Pag daw namin siya isama. Because like, nagdadala siya ng kaldero. Pero, I cannot control it. I'm gonna just put the angle like this. Because look at them skies. Gilid. Dito kayo, sa gilid. Para masali kayo sa vlog. Dito na yung isang cameraman namin. Nag-change roles na kami kasi ma-full storage na daw siya. Ay, yung pagsugad naghihitod kayo. Niyan na makakita ka man ito about. Sino to? Si Sikay.
Dobe.
Kaya mo yan!
Dito?
Go CC Bells! May kanya-kanya kaming dala kasi hindi pwedeng pabigat dito.
Walang pabigat sa pamilya.
Walang pabigat sa pamilyang to. Kahit siya may dala. Naka-life vest na kami. Ito na, hello. Mag-hi ka, mag-hi. Ayan, o, diba? Ito, Let's go! Nakikita niyo ba yung maliit na island na yan? That's where we're going. Ayan. This is our first time there. Look! Perfect! Yes!
Can I sit in camera, girl?
I know, right? Worth it ang pinagpaguran.
Nakaisa ko na dual camera. Dual
Meron kaming kasabayan, ayun, nauuna sila. There's so many people. We could go there.
We should try to libot. Like,
The whole thing?
Yes.
Really? Look at the water. It's color of green. Greenish. Teal.
You can see the underwater. How it goes.
Goodness. 도착했습니다. This is not our home, but it is our home. Wow! Get your things.
Okay na lang to.
Let us go.
Speak ako mo. Wala pa ko tayo ng mayro.
Wow! Yes! Sorry am I weird? Hello. It's currently 4 o'clock. And we're still at the beach, at the island. Our situation, someone's combing a hair, someone's drinking water, someone's sleeping. Oh, drinking into water. Sorry. Haba! Oh my gosh, round 2 of swimming. Yeah!
We're here at the house. Look at that beautiful house. Very red.
Hi guys! Nagdi-declutter kami. So, uwi na kami.